So today we're going to learn a bit about multiplication. And this week's lesson is on equal groups. So what is an equal group? We know what a group of objects is. And equal means that there's the same amount of objects in each group. So let's start by counting the apples. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 apples in total. But we can use a much easier way to count these, and that is using repeated addition or multiplication. So we know with this example we have 4 groups. One group here, another here, 3 here, and that makes 4 groups in total. And in each group there are 3 apples. So 3 apples here, 3 apples here, 3 apples here, and 3 apples here. So now we're going to use repeated addition to find the answer of how many apples. Repeated addition means that we're going to add the same number more than once. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that equals 12, which is the same number of apples we counted before. So we can see that there are 4 groups of 3 apples, and that makes 12 apples. Congratulations, you just did multiplication. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. Another way to say that is 4 times 3 equals 12, because we have 4 groups, and in each group there's 3 apples, and there are 12 apples in total. So again, 4 times 3 equals 12. We'll do another example, this time with flowers. So we have our 3 groups, and in each group there's 2 flowers. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 6 flowers in total. So in multiplication we can say 3 times 2 equals 6. So there's 3 groups, and in each group there's 2 flowers, so that makes 6 flowers in total. Again, 3 times 2 equals 6. So now we're going to look at how we can use these to make different multiplication questions. So in pictures, we have the picture here. We've already seen that. In words, we would say there are 4 groups of 3 apples, which makes 12 apples. If we're using repeated addition, we would say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. And if we're writing down multiplication, it would be 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 groups of 3 apples makes 12 apples. 4 times 3 equals 12. In our other example of the flowers, we have the picture again. In words, we would say there are 3 groups of 2 flowers, which makes 6 flowers. Using repeated addition, we would say 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. And if we're using multiplication, we would say 3 times 2 equals 6. So 3 groups. In each group there's 2 flowers, so that makes 6. Again, 3 times 2 equals 6. Something to keep in mind, in multiplication, the order of the first 2 numbers is not important. So we saw in today's lesson that 4 times 3 equals 12, but 3 times 4 also equals 12. We just switch those numbers around. Same thing with our flower example. We figured out that 3 times 2 equals 6. We can switch those first 2 numbers around, and 2 times 3 also equals 6. Congratulations, you finished the first lesson.